Here's a set of important questions and answers on ASP.NET and CHash. Introduction level. Helpful for interviews, exams, or basic understanding. Part 1. ASP.NET Questions and Answers. Q8. What is ASP.NET? ASP.NET is a server-side web development framework developed by Microsoft to build dynamic web pages, applications, and services. Q2. What are the main features of ASP.NET? Server-side technology, language independence, state management, built-in security features, rich toolbox in Visual Studio. Q3. What is the difference between ASP and ASP.NET? ASP is interpreted, ASP.NET is compiled. ASP uses scripting like VB Script. ASP.NET supports full .NET languages like CHash. ASP.NET has better security, performance, and scalability. Q4. What is a web form in ASP.NET? A web form is a file with .asks extension used to design user interfaces for web applications. Q-Part. What is ViewState? ViewState is a method to preserve page and control values between postbacks in ASP.NET web forms. Q6. What is a postback in ASP.NET? Postback is the process of submitting an ASP.NET page to the server for processing and then returning to the browser. Q7. What are server controls in ASP.NET? These are controls like text box, button, label, etc. that run on the server and are used to design web pages. Q8. What is the global.asux file? It's used for application-level events like application_start, session_start, etc. Part 2. CHash Questions and Answers. Q&A. What is CHash? CHash is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft for .NET Framework applications. Q10. What are the features of CHash? Object-oriented, automatic memory management, type-safe language, interoperable with other .NET languages, rich library support. Q11. What is the difference between value type and reference type in CHash? Value types, int, float, bool, store data directly. Reference types, class, array, string, store reference to the data's memory location. Q12. What is a class in CHash? A class is a blueprint for objects. It contains properties, methods, fields, etc. Q13. What is an object in CHash? An object is an instance of a class that holds actual values and data. Q14. What is inheritance in CHash? Inheritance is a mechanism where one class, child, can inherit fields and methods from another class, parent. Q15. What is the difference between and .equals in CHash? Checks for value or reference equality depending on the data type. .equals checks for value equality and can be overridden for custom behavior. Q-Solar. What is the static keyword in CHash? It defines members.